I had a friend. We were best friends. Sharp sihlezi siphuma out. So benginomuntu. So sihambe noChomi siyakubani siyakugaya ngimtshela ubaby ukuthi hayi baby ngizoza nomngani wami. Hayi umngani ngiyambona vele sekadakiwe. Okay, umngani nathi ucela singamisi endlini la sihlala khona. Yabo ucela ukuhamba nathi. So i-apartment kaGuy it's one bedroom apartment. So uChomi ngithini ngitha sizilungiseleleni ukulala. uChomi aqhumula bengcono. Ngilo muntu ongakwazi ukukhuluma yabo. Ngithule ngithi hayi it's okay. Maybe uphuzile umngane yabo. Okay ngisilale vele yabo ngaleyo sleeping arrangement isilale. Masilala hawo ngiyezwa man uChomi isandla siyangijumpa. Inhliziyo ibithe ethi ngithi mara ithi ngizithulise khiphula isembodla yabo. Ngithule man. How? After isikhathi nyana sekujumpa esikaGuy.
Sanibonani Dumelang abusheni molweni. This is a girl raw tonight. Do into be in. Angithi yazi. I-Love Heist isiphethe ke bafethu. Isiphethe khotlaba, khotleba, like kuningi. Soweto podcast. So wabona sithi kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kanjani sis?
Oh, your voice is nice. Ipentshisi bafethu. What's your name?
Uphuma kuphi? I'm from Protea Clan and Snapepark. So ngumntana seSoweto.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So usiphathele ini namhlanje?
So nginiphathele story, you know, about my friend.
Okay.
I'd say my friend, a sister that I met.
Okay.
You know, they say uhlangana nomndeni along the way.
Yes.
Yeah. So I had a friend. We were best friends. And then we decided to rent a place and share.
Okay.
So we started living together, and then we were very close. So this day.
So Siswami, you had a friend and nahlala noyi-2.
Yeah, besihlala soyi-2. So we always went out. Ugel bekahleza namaplani ukuphuma.
Okay.
Sihambe sojiva. Yeah, so besihlala ePhoenix eJozi.
Okay.
Sharp sihlezi siphuma out. So benginomuntu.
Okay.
So mina nomuntu wami siyajola. Okay, Sharp umuntu wami bekahlala eCape Town ne.
All right.
So he was relocating to Johannesburg yabo.
Okay.
So umuntu wami maka relocate aza eJohannesburg obviously because ngumuntu wakhe uzongicela ukuthi ngimncedise ukuthi sihambe maybe se eDragon City sofuna izinto zokudecorate indlu yabo.
Yes.
Iflat yakhe.
Yeah.
So yeah, umngani wami on that day, so umngani wami was like, mina ngicela ningithengeleni iwine, ngizoza ngizokuncedisa yabo. I was like, hey, Fede, it's okay. Plus vele yena ugood ngalezo zinto because endaweni yethu umuntu bekaseda yabo.
Nice.
So sihambe noChomi siyakubani siyakugaya ngimtshela ubaby ukuthi hayi baby ngizoza nomngani wami ngicela ucela simthengele nje iwine.
Okay.
Sophuza yabo. Hayi baby. He didn't have any problem.
Yeah.
Sahamba saya kuGuy safika vele sathenga izinto sathenga mina noChomi sathenga salungisa indawo Sharp. So uGuy later on abe like hayi man asiphumeni siyeni la eMaboneng yabo.
Okay.
Asiphumeni seMaboneng siyophuza yabo.
Yeah.
Okay Sharp athi ucela silanda umngani wakhe ushadile yabo. So masiya lapha kumngani wakhe uMadam kamngani wakhe afika abona ukuthi hayi man kuzoba yi2 for 2 umuntu wami akunalaya khona. Hayi okay Sharp athi hayi umuntu wami akunalaya khona mina angeke ngivome ukuthi ahambe nalamantombazane. Hey sithi hayi iplan shoot la faila so hamba soyi3 vele besiloko siblome soyi3.
Yeah.
Sihambe nomngani siye lapha eMaboneng kube mnandi siphuze sekadakiwe umngani mina vele angisungumuntu ophuza too much yabo. Like ngiphuza ngelimit yabo ngiloyo muntu vele.
That's good.
Sharp hayi umngani ngiyambona vele sekadakiwe. Okay umngani nathi ucela singamisi endlini la sihlala khona. Yabo ucela ukuhamba nathi.
Okay.
Like uyasaba ukuba yiwana yabo.
Okay.
Ufuna ucela ukuhlala nathi. So i-apartment kaGuy it's one bedroom apartment. So guys like solela kanjani yabo. Ngithi hayi man ungawari ngizobona iplan ukuthi senza kanjani yabo because angifuni ukuthi afile ngazathi yabo manje
she's left out
yabo. Okay Sharp sahambe se kwaGuy sekuseyintatha vele sekusebusuku baphuzile ba right nami ngiphuzile but I'm a bit tipsy not too much yabo. Okay Sharp ngithini mina ngithi hayi man solala sonke mina ngizolala emaphakathini it's okay yabo. Nothing will happen obviously umngani wami lo. It's like my sister like umuntu ebengimthemba like very seriously yabo.
So okay, Ima, nilele kanjani? The guy is where and when are you?
Okay, uGuy bengithe uGuy uzolala ngapha and then mina ngilala emaphakathini and then Choma alale ngapha yabo. Alale ngakimi.
Wait.
Get.
Your boyfriend is this side?
Yeah.
Then it's you?
Mina in the middle.
Okay.
And then the friend. The other
okay,
side.
okay. So ni 3.
Yeah, si 3 embedeni yabo.
Okay.
So uChomi ngithi sizilungiselele ukulala. uChoma akhumula bengcono.
Huh?
uChoma
We advertise amtase.
Like ngibe sure because ngumuntu yabona like ngilomuntu ongakwazi ukukhuluma yabo. Ngithule ngithi hayi it's okay.
Udakiwe,
Maybe uphuzile umngane yabo and it's not like maybe uGuy wami ngiyamthemba yabo. Angeke azayenze lezo angeke azayenze next yabo and seeing is nothing yabo.
Yeah.
I was like, hey, umzimba wakhe yabo.
Yeah.
Mara ingishokile man.
Mara
Iyangithusa like ukuthi hayibo, Chomi wenza kanjani ke kanje?
Because I wouldn't do that to your man.
Mina if bengihambe naye bengizolala ngejini or bengizocela
That's
ukuthi
true.
Chomi ngicela ningibolekeni
Nolala
i-tracksuit or something.
ngejini.
You understand? Hayi ngithuke yabona ngizibuze ngithi hayibo le ntombazane. Mara ngibe like umngani wami yabo
Okay.
and maybe uphuze kakhulu yabo ufuna ukuba comfortable yabo and uzolala eduze kwami angeke alale phambi komuntu wami. Hayi. Me being naive yabo ngicabanga ukuthi hayi it's okay man it's fine yabo how okay ngizilalise okay ngisilale vele yabo ngaleyo sleeping arrangement isilale masilala how ngiyezwa man uChomi isandla siyangijumpa hayibo
Oh, I've been through that, bruh. I know
uChomi
that.
isandla siyangijumpa it's
So umngani or it's the guy?
umngani
Yo, guy.
umngani uyaqala ugaye
Yo, mina ngingahlangana same time. Yo.
Inhliziyo ibithe ethi ngithi mara ithi ngizithulise khipho la isembodla yabo ngithule ngithule man okay sharp ngithule how ngiyasiza isandla ngithi sibuyele futhi isandla yabo how after isikhathi nyana sekujump esikagayi how
Badlala amakhotla khotla
badlala
game.
hayibo mopelaka
I can't wanna utipile.
banana kitipile okay uGuy test 1 2 1 2 yabo baby hayi ke ipula isembodla ke re ke tlo tshola
Yeah.
ke batla go bona gore rantla antle ya kae tabai how hayi angibize futhi baby hayi ngizithulise vele sharp vele balokho boy2 sebajumpise boy2 omunye nomunye balokho bayabambana ugeli sekayamona nyana yabona kasele ashisa
Emma, the guy ha jumpisa litso. Okay na mole.
hey
Because I can't vele. How
wena batho ba tshwarana like in serious cause girl ke yo
na o thule too much mtasi.
ke thule ke re man ke batla bona tla fela kae ntwe ka ofela bona how ke shapele bom vele sela ka ya pizza ke thugile ntwe so ya kana o nketsala shem okay shapu how ba lokho bayenza bona okay uGuy angiteste futhi baby aphume ingobeni
Yo ngapeinela di bon.
mamela batho ba abakopana condom one baqala ukopana abakopana condom awunamo ke utlileng hore condom kai ing next how ka ya tle ka mo ko girl wabo ba be busy watsa keteng ke kemelise ke se bathroom otla ha ke khutla bathroom ba ipolaisa mpotsa ba ke tsang ka ba etsa next wa how ke reng ko kae ke ai ke tsang ka go robetse ke mkhotse hape ke
Nka mo isetsa kwa phele. Nna nka mo golisa mo mpetong.
ke ga boto ska iketsang ka go robetse ka ba number 1 no o mapona o robetse o apere o mapona wala
Leo
no
ke mapona satane.
mapona satane ke rena sa le vela hlobotse ke tla reng ke mjetse ke re ko pompes ke sa kolo ya o tla tlo slata o seng o tla tlola ta kolo ya o seng ke drive ke ye kwa ko flateng ke yo robala nna le khona o
qhubeka ka masutra ya lona.
le khona o qhubeka ka masutra ya lona because no le ntlo elampi wabo hayi gate ya ko apartment ya kae ne tshwantse ampulele ka code so a ke na code wabo ke tswe obviously ke kwatila ke aksana ana taba ya o ring eng ke nke skia vela mfe skia ne a dumelo mfa skia
Hey.
tshwantse ke tswe mo complexeng a ke
Ha go no.
code okay ke khutlele ko yena ke re mfetsi kupa nkeletse code a gane kae a gana ngenge a go kopa ore ke dule until hoseng eng obvious vele se ile hoseng no se ile bo 4 re fihlile maybe mo ka bo 2
mara go ya downstairs for code sa ba entse one hape
na bang lateletsa ke re kae wan latella o zama ngenga eng wabo o zama ngenga ga skis babe re tagiwe eng ene ke kelo tsa dileng eng wa bona ntse jwalo ke le inkile di hour o ga apare ke ipotsa gore o no etsalang ka kelelo hae like azanga nane lo apara ntse ka fela etala ha nane lo apara ngwanyana
la promoter business absiu
ha nane lo apara ngwanyana o
German
ke sa tene o hopole motho o ke mo ka se ka oswaka shapo ke a bona vele se ile hoseng so shapa bo 5 ntse re busy ga ke back and forth wabo apare ke le shapo ke back and forth guy vele bo hoseng ka bo 5 ke re khape ge it's either wa re khapa go sala le motho hao wa tlhaloganya re tsamaye ke le a re fitla kwa ko flateng sa kopa tshwarelo o ntjwetsa hore na tagiwe ha tsebe le go etsalang till today
so yena wine ya motronyoza
one girl ona le motho o engaged ba mo ntsheditse dikgomo like go tshwana le gore ke mosadi wa motho
mosadi wa motho vele
ke mosadi wa motho
so yena o wiki gakalo gore anwe wine ebe motronyoza
girl a re nje o kopa tshwarelo o kopa hore yena a gopole go etsalang a founele motho hae wa bona a fonele motho a jetse motho a hore yo babe ne ke tagilwe ba ntshwetsa ntshwetse ke sa ditsebeng no eng she's just pretending I'm like girl wa pretend
jumpile border pele ka letsola
and it was the little things that I could see but ne ke di ignore like hore girl o na le mona or something ka nna wa tlhaloganya because even le ko mone re dula teng like she used to wa bona di chomi tse ileng hore du wisa moya maybe let's say ke tukisitse ne abare chomi ikhiphe lena a ikufanele and then na ke I feel I understand like those friends ba tloring hayi ungayenzi lento leyo lo guy lo akekho right for wena yabona ntshonyana tse di jwalo yabo so nje angila chomi angila limshimani angila till today ka tswa ko bona
you actually did a greatest thing to leave your friend because a friend like that can make you lose yourself because of you are not vocal
and then it's self-esteem.
So how is jwalo you can kill a person like that because when you're not vocal so o tlobatla something eleng more dangerous etlo mo lematsang because you can't talk
and I vele ke motho ileng gore I'm a very bubbly person so like I enjoy a company motho ke phakisa like gore ke rate motho wabo so yang kila jwalo chomi shem
mzala mara ba jumpa di border wa didimala
ka thola ka re ke batla o utlwa re ke batla bona
mo wena ha o imagine gore o motho ka lena o mpha mnate gore ha mona ho be le squele
nixi ke nana taba ya gore ngwanyana o ntloela hampe ke nana taba ya gore ngwanyana o ntloela hampe ba bona if ne ke le banyana ba hlanyang ke be ke ile ka tshuba wasani
ke bona o thuba nka ga bucket ya metsi ne
ba ka ona
mpeto ole o tlo ba pap
wena
pap wet
nka ke bene ke na le sebete se wa tsa ntha etsa la ko wena ne re ka bua re reng tsa etsa la ko wena
you become shocked
you become shocked and don't act
I don't want to lie I've been in that situation before with a very good friend and re tswa ke di chomi tse re leng close le tsona
motho o ke khotse le yena
you are my friend
school life ka
I don't want you to go home because you are lit come and the guy gonna go he's a bachelor
wow understand
and then ulale maphakathini because I can't let my man sleep in the middle of course he's going to be tempted hi today ngidla kamnandi
I was like maybe ke like ke nna motho entseng tshwego na ke blame but I was like no man
you don't
ne ke blame ke why ke ntse so because obviously ke tshemsile motho aka ka tshemtha chomi aka because why ne ke dumela gore chomi aka ke sa ikgutsetsa ko re dulang
bruh there is nothing wrong that you did I'm your friend I'm lit I cannot go back home lit ke le one you understand so ke tlo gutla o tlo re etla konna but maybe nkebe a robetse ko couch ngore la mo alla mo fatshe nna ke sa batla di chomi tsa ka di hlakana le motho wa because of lona la gala
a ke sana tsona a ke sa di batla di chomi a ke sa di batla shem a ke sa di batla
Ai kuningi bafethu.
Girl, a move out, le nna ka move out. A ke tsebe ge hore yana le fiance ya hae ba ile ba etsa jwang, ba lokisa jwang, a bilane a ke di kene. Nka ga ka shwa mo aleng.
A chase ke bicycle.
Wena, truck, train.
Ai wena. Yo lo sislona. Ai ska so jwalo mara o ska mo tshwara ka pelo. Wa tseba pelo is the biggest muriana ever. You understand?
Yeah.
So let go, it's fine.
Yeah,
but
it's okay.
it is painful because now here relocated for you from Cape Town to build a future and then kinikitli indlu yawa. Ama steps.
Nshapa ka tombstone ngwanyana.
What's up with
wena?
Tombstone. So Mzala, I want to ask you this question.
Yeah.
Normally red flag A1 ka mistake like tips like kota. Azangwa bona gore because I know you did mention some few things gore she has done it before but let me just let it go.
Yeah.
But nakwele le ko Dragon City wena le Chomi le the guy. Didn't you see gore they were flirting or ankile ba change the number or the girl name where the
So ucho me bazanki explain hantle ne. So what happened was guy umfile khadi ga tsamaya le Chomi guy a sala ko ntlong
o file wena
yeah a etsa ntho tsa hae.
Okay.
So na le Chomi ke rona batho ba rileng ga yo reka ga khutla le dintho request ra khutla le dintho and then started decorating, you understand?
Okay.
So Chomi I didn't think much because Chomi le guy ne ba sa tsebana guy na dula ang tshokana keng ang bukela flight ke ya ko yena ko Cape Town.
Okay.
So abatsebane batho ba and they never used to communicate or anything.
So
ne ba qala ho bonana.
So because we can blame it on the wine.
Yena a re nje natagilwe a gopole next.
I think futhi yazi
but Yana, she was a jealous friend. She was a jealous friend.
She was jealous. And again, maybe nalakatsa bophelo ba hao. You understand?
Yeah, because obviously, you know, I get really Chomi, ke khutla ke o qotela Chomi. Wentsa so, ayetsa so.
Thina siyathanda ukukhuluma.
Eish wena mlomo ke setlhare.
I'm the most bubbly person and I love talking. So siyamosha. We don't know who's happy, who's not happy.
We don't know.
When I feel comfortable talking to you.
As much as Neki Munkaseka Oswaka, like I took her as my sister, like Temi like Mutsiba. Like we were close. Very close. To a point like haya mahayeng, kinekita maliena. Like hakia mahayeng, like that's sisterhood. But I saw some red flags and ignored them because of lerato yena, you know. So motho umrata le mistakes tsa hae wa tlhaloganya. So it was that thing ya hore ke amorata, yes, but the mistakes tsa hae ke ignore because ke morata wa tlhaloganya.
Your brownness, yo. Hey, wetse ke painelwa mo spinal cord eng. Ene I never gonna long wire the way ho le bohloko ka teng.
What at least know ne se ke gona we qoqa ke sa lelolla like ntho e ha ne ke qoqa. Yo. No ke break her down.
But does the guy try at least tips nyana?
Yo ke ile ka mo blockela by affair o yena ke ile ka mo blockela by affair because ke ntja ya o qala le o qena why yena ana dumela. Ke eng enemy tsa hore a dumele if na fila hore o batla ho heba sex mo pela Chomi yaka or mo ke ba ask re nna maybe o ga etsang nna ka ba ya ba nna maybe
wa mona nyana he because ole na tlo tipa vele
wa mona ba ka dumela o etsa ntho tse mo pela Chomi yaka so na tshwantse ke be o zamme at least mo nna ke le teng
ra kena fela o velong o re baby tla re ka kwa le lo iphitla ko dining room somewhere
bontsha ke ba eng
I'm always with you. Why are you being like that? But to be honest, don't you miss him?
Guy, yeah, not that much, ne. Girl, because like we were very close. Kublela motole o tseba everything ka nna. Like what's a Chomi ride or die.
Yeah.
Chomi let's talk out fella lien. Kena motho ke na le mopola tlhaloganya.
She didn't-
Guy ke guy, man bashimane ke bashimane.
You can get another
Yeah,
one
you
and
can get
replace.
yeah.
But a sister, a
Yeah,
friend that you're taking
yeah.
like a sister,
Yeah.
akile. Ako zang ka wena style.
Wena,
Must just
like necessity ke monkile se ka auswa ka. Ko jetsa hore msebetsi o etsalang ko yes o na le teng. Msebetsi o etsalang ko ha bona ke teng. Ko re mo tholang nna no thola yena. Ne re le package deal.
so okay. Noma umu blockile ne. Yena as a sister, as you were saying, who you guys
She
were
still
close
reaches
ne.
out, like even
Did
on
she
my
try to
birthday.
invite you go lenyalong la hae? Because mama ntsheditse dikgomo, of course she's getting married.
No, I don't know what's happening. No, ko bophelong ba hae. And honestly speaking, I don't know what happened. Because for my lobola negotiation, yeah, ne ke le
You were
teng.
there because you
I
guys were
was
still
even
tight.
part of the ladies that bane baba khetha. You know, wa ke re ha e le malobola ra apeswa dituku re kwalwe babhadi ba khetha hore ke
Yes.
ofeng motho wa bona. I was even part of that.
Yo,
She
please be
still
my best
reaches
friend.
out.
Ge.
Yo, hle, kopa o betho mya ka hle. O tla ntshwara shapo.
Tla tshwara shapo. Mara no ska njella ka bana o le pentisi. Ska njella.
Lena ska njella. O le
Nna ke
lekula
tshomo le
so.
nna. Nna.
O le lekula so.
Umpulele kitchen, o tla ke re kitchen e tsona we
Ko
me.
bulele spaza shop.
Mara ke batla go rekisa di samosa, di bunny chow.
Yeah. Di halal.
Le di spice kaofela Tommy. Ha. Because ba rekisetsa di penny fela mo di shopong tse ha gona di spice tse di tatileng.
Yeah.
Okay, ge after mo ge nna le wena re tla tsamaya re lo bloma re le two.
Yeah,
Batho bo tlileng le bone
But, yeah.
ha ba jige.
Nje.
LOX we sell.
Straight.
Yo, it was lovely having a conversation with you.
Thank
and
you.
you spoke about a familiar
Experience,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's very deep, but nah, I couldn't keep quiet, my lady.
Yeah,
I'm a lovely
yeah.
person,
Yeah.
but don't come for me.
Yeah.
I will show you flames.
Yeah.
Without go lighter matches, le lighter. We don't do
Nna ke tsebe
that.
lolwana. So nje taba tsa ka sa se ntho tsa ka.
Okay, Soweto podcast. Angithandi ukukhuluma nabantu bama-side. Soweto podcast Love Heist. Ningakhohlwa, you better subscribe if you
You
don't.
better.
Chami kopo ba jwetse, here's your camera.
You better subscribe
To what?
that. Press that subscription button, please.
Yes. Oh, so kgona ho bua. Shapo ntwana.
Take it comfortable, ne?
Shapo ntwana.